In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Accordion in Webflow. By the end, you'll have a clean, clickable accordion that expands to reveal content and collapses to keep your pages tidy. First, open your Webflow project so you're on the designer canvas. Make sure you're in the right page or section where you want the accordion to live. It helps to have a clear spot ready on your layout so you can see spacing and responsiveness as you build. Next, look for the highlighted search or add field in the designer interface. Click that highlighted area to focus it and start typing to quickly find the component we need. Using the search keeps you from scrolling through long lists and gets you straight to the right element. From the results, choose the Dropdown component. Click it to add it to your canvas. The Dropdown is a perfect starting point for an accordion because it already has a toggle and a hidden panel. Think of the drop-down toggle as your question or heading, and the drop-down list as the content that will expand and collapse. With the element selected, head over to the Style panel. Give your accordion a class name so you can manage styles globally. Adjust spacing so the toggle has comfortable padding, set the width to fill the parent container, and refine typography for readability. You can add a subtle border or divider to separate items and tweak background colors to match your brand. If the default chevron doesn't match your style, you can restyle it or hide it and use your own icon later. Now jump to the Settings panel. Here, confirm the drop-down's initial state. For a classic accordion, you'll usually want it closed on page load. Update the toggle text to reflect your section title or question, and ensure your content lives inside the drop-down list. Keep things semantic and tidy. Clear labels help with accessibility and maintainability. Next, move to the Interactions panel to give your accordion smooth motion. Add a click trigger on the drop-down toggle and animate the drop-down list so it transitions in and out with a gentle ease. A short duration feels snappy. A slightly longer one feels more relaxed. Set initial states so the content starts hidden, then reveal on click, and reuse this interaction on the same class for consistency across multiple items. When you're happy with the look and feel, click Publish to push your changes live. After publishing, preview your site, test each toggle, and check responsiveness on different breakpoints to